string is a running topic. I can give a comma and methods in string. What is the topic, sir? Methods in string. First time I'm giving subheading as a file name actually. Means important. You need to understand the importance of the topic actually. Who are all attending today's session, you guys are blessed actually. Who are all missed today's session, oh my god. So too difficult to understand the further sessions. That's what even I told yesterday. Today topic is important. Anyway, let's close this. First, let's prepare the running notes. You understand that pattern. So the date should be matched 02. Here it should be 02. And Daniel, we done this. Yes, boss. This would be the running topic. And the upcoming topic name is a kind of some Python. So the running topic is the Python. Functions part 1. Functions what, Sarji? Part 1. Part 1. And if part 1 is there, then definitely part 2. Part 2 actually. Something like a Bahubali part number 1 and part number 2. Something like that. Fine. Let's take this. I will give you one small recap. Recap in the sense what we covered yesterday. I will explain actually. Yes, boss, please. Yeah. Let's continue. Running notes is ready. I hope you guys also ready actually. Good. So let's continue. Maybe I need to continue from here. But till now what I covered, let me give you one small recap. Good. Yesterday I have started a topic. First we closed the flow control chapter. What chapter, sir? Flow control. After flow control, I started the topic. The topic name. From the flow control, you can understand how to think logically. I wanted to execute one statement based on some condition. I have a sequence. I wanted to get one by one value. We need to go for looping. We need to go for break we have seen, continue we have seen. Such a kind of examples we have seen. Chapter wise practice examples also I will share. But why I am not sharing immediately? First to do practice of current document actually. Then you will get an idea. Maybe if I get some time, I will show you what do you mean by practice related material also would have. I will show you like a chapter wise practice material. After that, I have started a topic after flow control. We started the discussion which is so called as a string. What is the topic name? Daniel, what do you mean by string? Simple, sir. It's a group of characters enclosed within the quotes. When I say quotes, actually 4 types of quotes. The first one, single quote, double quote, triple single quote, triple double quote. Only 4 ways to create a string. Daniel, is there any other way? No. If you want, you can try. You will get error actually. You will get what, Sarji? Error. What error? Syntax error. Yeah, generally to create a string, my hand always, in real time also, do you wanted to create a string actually? Double quote is recommended. What is recommended, sir? Double quote actually. I would like to create a single character. I would like to create what, Saji? Single character. Then you can go for single quote. You can go for, sometimes my requirement will be, I would like to create a multi-line string. Can you talk with me? I would like to create, one more time, multi-line. Let me tell you go for any news article. There are multi-lines, line number 1, line number 2, line number 3. Best example, if I ask your address actually, don't worry, I will not ask. Then that address will be multi-line, line number 1, line number 2, line number 3. If you wanted to create a multiple lines, a some multi-line string actually, go for triple quotes. Go for what, Saji? When I say triple quote, you can go for single or double, up to you. But double is recommended again actually, okay? That's what I covered. After that, once we understand how to create a string, it's a right time you need to access the characters from a string actually. String contains values. String contains what, Saji? Value. When I say values, characters, nothing but a data. I just wanted to access the data actually. There are 3 ways now. There are how many? 3 ways. The first one by using indexing. Second one by using slicing. Third one by using for loop. We covered that one and you need to walk through that actually. That's it. Maybe after that I need to continue. The topic name is called as a mutable. What is the topic name, sir? Mutable. Let me start from scratch today actually. Let us start. Sir, I hope you already know by this time what is the data. Data means collection of facts. Can you tell me, sir, data means what, sir? Collection of facts. Guys, get ready. There are 2 types of the data. One is mutable data. The next one is immutable data. Can you talk with me? First one, mutable data. Second one, immutable data. Hey Daniel, what do you mean by mutable data? Sir, can be changed. Simple. Can be or else modify or else update actually. The data which is having changing nature, modifying nature, updating nature, that is called as a mutable. That is called as a mutable actually. We'll see. The next one, cannot be changed. Chappan sir, cannot be changed. Either change or modify or what such update actually. You cannot update. You cannot modify. You cannot change actually. These are all things. So make a note on this. Okay. I will give few examples. You will get an idea. When you're talking about the data, they are data having two natures. Either the first one or the second one. That's it. But not middle actually. Let us take a few data. Data having some changing nature. Few data having no changing nature actually. No changing nature. If you want, let me take one small examples. నేను మీకు ఒక చిన్న ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ తీసుకుంటాను చూడండి. Let me tell you. Can I think like a employee details? Let me talk about employee details. So think like I'm a so TCS employee. Kind of some name, employee name actually. Employee what Sarji? Name. Employee having the name. My name is Daniel. My name is what Sarji? Daniel actually. It's okay. Good. The next one, employee having ID. Employee having what Sarji? ID. A kind of some TCS 101. Think like that. The next one, I do have a salary. Yeah, good. So kind of some, so $10,036 actually. Then my age also. Think like my age will be 34. Now, so it's okay. So let me just try to take these are all things actually. Okay. Good. Get ready. Sir, do you think my name will be changed actually? Cannot be changed. Talk with me. My name, it's a forever actually. Daniel means Daniel, that's it. Right. The next one. Employee ID, do you think it will be changed? Cannot be changed. Sir, what about the salary? It should have changing nature. Can be changed. Why? Because every year hike is required, otherwise gone case. We have families. Am I right or not, sir? Right? Can be changed. The next one will be age. Age, tell me. Can be changed actually. Now, if you closely observe the data, Daniel, TCS, salary, age, nothing but a data. Data two types actually. There are few parameters having changing nature. There are few parameters having not changing nature. The data which is not changing, which is called as a immutable. Which is called as a immutable. The data which is having changing nature, that is called as a mutable data. I am pretty sure you got a clarity actually. Best example. Look at the data. My name never ever changes, sir. Cannot be changed actually over the period. Actually. My employee ID also. Employee ID should not be changed. Hall ticket number should not be changed. Passport number should not be changed actually. Right? Now, but when you're talking about the salary parameter is supposed to be changed every year, every 6 months. Every quarter, something like that. Yes, every day it is updating. Every day. Once the date change actually, our age will be, kind of some, it is having changing nature. Now I wanted to hear from you. Data, two types actually. Talk with me. Mutable data, next one. Immutable. Mutable means can be changed. Immutable means, are you clear, Sarji? Good, let's continue.
Put 3 cups of rice, okay?
Yeah. 3 cups, 4 పెడతాను.
Daniel, we got a clarity. Data two types. The first one mutable, the next one immutable. Okay. Mutable best example is list to data structure. What data structure, sir? List to data structure. I will show you one small example. Immutable best example string data type. What data type, sir? String data type actually. Okay. So then let me show you practically so that you will get an idea. First, you understand what is the definition for mutable and immutable. Then it's the right time we are entering into the explanation with the example. Explanation with what, Sarji? Example. Good. Now let me talk about the list to data structure. Mutable. Sorry. List is example actually. Come on, let me show you one small example. ఒక చిన్న example చూపిస్తాను చూడండి. Get ready please. Easy. It's very easy. You guys need to focus actually. That's it. Apart from that, nothing. We'll do one thing. So let me create a list to data structure. A equals to square brackets 10, 20, 30, 40. Good. Let me just try to print A. What's such A actually. Good. Then let me run the code. Yeah, successfully we have created a list to data structure. Successfully have created what data structure, sir? List to data structure. So simple. Yeah, Daniel, I would like to say 10 to 40 is nothing but a data. 10 to 40 is nothing but That data we are storing into the list. Then list having one nature. What is that nature? Changing nature. What's nature?
చేంజ్
In between, based on your requirement, do you wanted to change this value? We can change. Do you wanted to change this value? We can change. Why? Because it is a list data structure. What data structure? Simple. Let us take one small requirement. Daniel, the first value is the 10. Madam, first value is a 10. I don't want the first value as a 10. Anyway, you already created. I wanted to change from first value 10 to 99. I wanted to change from first value 10 to what, Sarji? 99. Is it possible? Absolutely possible, boss. Because it is list to data structure having mutable nature. I like running commenter. You need to talk with me. Having what nature? Mutable nature. Please respond actual. If you are more active, I will be double active. Yeah, good. Now let me just try to pull that value, access that value. How to access that value, Yeah, by using indexing, you can access. By using what, Sarji? Index. Yeah, we are accessing by using indexing. Yeah, Daniel, I wanted to change that value. Then give this one is left hand side and right hand side with what you wanted to change 99. Now make a note actually. Make a note, right? Now let me just try to print this one. Very good, Sarji. This is seriously awesome. So first of all, there is a list to data structure. In a same list to data structure, I mean to say I am not creating another one more list data structure. In a same list to data structure, we are erasing that 10. We are replacing with other value. What is that other value? Talk with me. 99. Are you clear, Sarji? Right. This is the best example list having. If you want, we can check ID also. We can check that one later. This is the easy example. So conclusion of the story. List to having mutable nature. What nature, sir? Mutable nature. What do you mean by that? Based on requirement, we can change the data. We can change what, Sarji? Data. Right. So here, 10 value replaced with what value actually? 99 value. Very simple. This is more than enough. ఇంతకు మించి ఎక్కువ అవసరం లేదు. Right. This is the practical proof actually. Are you clear, sir? Good. Now move to the next one, sir. Move to the next one. Nagiredi, sir. That's might be okay. I'm not sure about that. Passport number will be changed after 10 years actually. Oh, maybe during renewal process actually. It's still okay. Thank you. Then you are having sound knowledge and passport actually. Very good. Let's continue. Can you talk with me? What is the next one, sir? Immutable. What is the next one? Immutable. Now I would like to explain about string data type. What data type? String data type. Yeah, sir, get ready. String. When I say string, I hope you already know. String having immutable nature. What nature? One more time. What nature? What do you mean by that? Once you created, you should not change. Once you created, you should not change actually. Let me show you one example. In a chiన్న example చూపిస్తాను చూడండి. A equals to same. Let me just try to take a string Daniel actually. Now let me just try to print A. Good. So I would like to, why these are all, I can close this. I can even close this. Here we go. Let's run the code actually. Yeah. We got Daniel actually. Sir, repeating again. I wanted to access the, first of all, Daniel is a data. Daniel is what, Sarji? Data. First of all, the data within the double quote means nothing but a string. Please don't try to change actually. Let me try to change what happened. I wanted to access the first character. How to access? A of 0. Sir, we covered yesterday. A of what, Sarji? 0. Now, like a list, how we changed the first value. Daniel, instead of D character, I don't want D character. Instead of D, can I replace with X actually? Can I replace with some other character? You can try. Let us try actually. Are you ready, sir? Let's take this one. Like exactly like a previous example, A of 0 equals to, let us just have to replace with some X. Some random character. Anything it is okay actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Good. Then let me just try to print A. Sir, same example. Almost 3 lines same like a even previous example. Left hand side also same. Previous example, right hand side value is a list data structure. Now in this example, right hand side value is a string data. Previous example we got output actually, but in this example, let us see. Sir, we are getting error. We are getting what? Error. What error? Type error. That it is telling string object does not support what exactly, sir? Item assignment. So once you created a string, I request you, please don't change actually. Please don't change. If you are trying to change, I will raise error. I will raise what, Sarji? Error. This is the practical proof. String having immutable nature. String having what nature, sir? Immutable nature. I'm sure, I hope you got a clarity. Kishore sir, we can assign. That's still okay. We can move on as of now. Good, man. Now it's really very good. You understand about the topic. The topic name is called as a mutable, and next one is what, Sachi? Immutable. Good. So in a general definition, in a general definitions actually. General definitions. Can you talk with me? Mutable means? Chappan sir. Mutable means can be changed. What is that? Can be changed actually. This is the general definition that is still okay. General and technical definition let us provide actually. It's okay. Let us make it like this. Immutable. We already know, Sarji. I'm just trying to re-rating again and again. Cannot be changed. Let me show you the technical definition. General definition is more than enough to understand the topic. Technical definition, let me explain. Technical definition. Let's click on mutable. Good. Make a note actually. Once we create an object or variable, think like a list we created actually. Then let us read. The state of existing object. Can you read one more time? The state of existing object. One more time. State of existing object can be changed actually. When I say state of existing object, the content of object. What is that, Saji? Content. Content means data. Instead of that, so variable, what kind of data it is available. State of existing object can have changing or modify or update actually. This behavior is called as a mutable. Once we create an object, then the state of existing object cannot be changed, sir. Changing nature, list to data structure. Not changing nature. What data structure? String. Chappan sir? String. Next one, strings having immutable nature. Just now I covered. String having immutable nature. Once we create a string object, then we cannot modify, we cannot change or modify the existing string object actually. Imagine you have created a mail ID. You have created what, Saji? Mail ID. Mail ID is fixed actually. We should not send again mail to the Google team. I wanted to update my mail ID. Can I change my mail ID in the sense, they will simply drop it. They never respond also. Conclusion of the story, mail ID is a fixed. Mail ID is what, Saji? Fixed. What data? Immutable data. What data, sir? Immutable data actually. Immutable. The next one. Yeah, good. So make a note on this. There was one interview question that's still okay. There was one counter question from the previous student. So if name is not changing, go for Aadhaar card actually. What card, sir? Aadhaar card or passport number. Passport actually. Think like in Aadhaar card, you already know we are all from India. Something went wrong. Initially, they created kind of some platform. The government assigned all for Aadhaar card actually. Name, whatever they want, they assign actually. First of all, my original name is Nirikshan. Nalgu tirugudu. Chappadaniki raadu. Nirikshan. During that Aadhaar card registration, I told my name is Nirikshan. They made it like a Narakshan actually. Are you with me or not, son? Then my name went wrong. See, the point is string. If Aadhaar card application is created by using Python, yes. Imagine they created with Python. Name, something went wrong. Then according to this one, we should not change actually. According to this one, we should not change. There is one alternative. We can change. That alternative you will come to know after I started the topic. Topic name is a methods in string. What is the topic name? Are you clear or not, sir? Good. Make a note on this. Move on. Can you tell me what is error? One more time, sir. Type error actually. Type error. Now math operators. Let us continue. Everybody make a note, please. Technical definition. Once we created an object, the state of existing object. Mutable. The state of existing object can be changed. Immutable. The state of existing object cannot be changed. That's it, Sachi. General definition is fine. During interview also you can still use the same. Cannot be changed. Cannot be what, Sachi? Change. Cool. Then we done this discussion. Move on. Good. So now it's a right time I need to enter into now math operators. What operators, sir? Math operators. Get ready to understand. Would have a certain operators, but let us take only two operators actually. These two are important. The first one will be addition operator. What is the first one? Addition operator. The second one is multiplication operator. What is the second one? Multiplication operator. These two operators not only works with not only works with number, it works with string data also. It works with what data, sir? Let me show you. The first one, let me take addition operation. Addition operator. Addition operator. I hope you already know what do you mean by addition operator. We'll do one thing. It seems to be this point I already covered since a long back, but anyway, I can cover one more time. LHS plus RHS equals to result actually. Let us see the result. If left hand side is the number plus right hand side is the number, no doubt at all addition operation. What operation, sir? One more time. What operation? Addition operation. If you want, you can take example 10 plus 20. 10 plus what, sir? 20. Then can you tell me what is the result? 30. Best example. Imagine if left hand side plus operator, it's having, this word is important, dual nature. What nature? Dual. అంటే ఒకే ఆపరేటర్ లో రెండు రకాలుగా వర్క్ చేస్తుంది. The same operator works in a different way actually. Different ways, right? Now imagine if left hand side is a string, right hand side also string. Sir, first point. What is this one? It's not an addition. It's not a addition operation. What operation, sir? Addition operation. First, let me tell you what it is not. Now, let me tell you. Chappan, sir. Concatenation. What is that? Concatenation. Concatenation, actually. So, seems to be I have covered this one, I guess. Concatenation, also called as a joining. Sir, you should remember. What is that? Joining. What do you mean by that? Let us take a Kasagani. So, maybe K. K is my initial. K. Then, so the first name and next one will be Daniel. Next one is what, sir? Daniel. Then the final name is what exactly, sir? K Daniel. K what exactly, sir? Daniel. If you want, let me provide one small tab space here actually. Space also string, right? K Daniel is the output actually. Are you clear, sir? Good. Let's just try to take this example quickly. F name equals to Kasagani. Now L name. L name equals to Daniel. Let us just try to provide one small space here and F name plus L name. So are you looking for full name actually? Are you looking for what, Saji? Full name. What we need to do? F name plus L name. That's what we need to do actually. Okay. Good, sir. Good. Now let me just try to print full name. Did you remember as per the standard? If variable name having the two words actually, go with underscore symbol. Go with what symbol? That is the best standard actually. First let me write like this. Yeah, concatenation. String concatenation actually. Take, follow the standards. No standards above. Example, following words are standards actually. What do you mean by standards? Please you can go for underscore symbol. Here also you can go for underscore symbol. Very good. I hope you got a clarity actually. Let's move on. After you understand addition operation, next operation will be multiplication. What is the next one? Multiplication. Yes, we'll do one thing. A equals to 3 and B equals to kind of some, 2 actually. A star B. So 3 into 2. What is the result, sir? 6. It is called as a multiplication operator. What operator? Multiplication. It is applying multiplication operation. But the still same operator having again dual nature actually. The same operator having the dual nature. In one way it will work like a multiplication operator. In another way it works like a repeating the string. Chappan sir? Think like, let me just try to take this one is a string, Daniel actually. So I would like to print here. Yeah, good. You can just try to see Daniel 3 times it is printing. Can you tell me 3 into Daniel? It means to say that. Let me just try to provide one small space actually. 3 times Daniel it is being getting printing. Right? Now, sorry. Now Daniel, can I give 30 actually? Sir, you can give 300 also. That is still fun actually. You can give 300 also. That is still fun. Where we are using, in NLP we are using this operation. I can cover later actually. Can I continue? Right. This is called as a repeating the string. Can you talk with me, sir? What it is? Repeating. It is just repeating the string actually. Just repeating the string. Multiplication operator. It is repeating the string. You can walk through the material. So I hope you understand, I guess. Yeah, move on. Good. So we can perform 2 math operators on this string. One is addition, next one is a multiplication. The plus operator works like a concatenation or joining over the string actually. Yeah, see, Python programming language, A plus B. A plus what exactly, sir? B actually. Make a note on this. And a multiplication operator with the string. This operator works with the string to do the repeating the string. 3 you are providing. Either it is left hand side or right hand side. That's still okay. Important interview question, sir. The topic name is the length of this string. What is the topic name? Get ready in another 5 minutes. We are entering into important topic. Topic name is a methods in string. What is the topic name? Methods in string. In another 5 minutes actually. Oh, this one also would have another 10 minutes you can take. Length of this string. Length గురించి మాట్లాడదాం చూడండి. Maybe I am going to introduce one new function today. Yeah. Length of this string. Please understand this. Daniel, sometime my requirement will be, imagine I have created a string. I have created what, Sarji? String. Yeah, good. I just wanted to know how many number of characters. I wanted to know how many number of characters actually. Though it is a small string, you can even count also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many characters, sir? 6 actually. Think like the string is very big string actually. Counting takes some little longer time. Instead of that, what we need to do now, there is a one predefined function. There is a one predefined function. That predefined function name is a length. What is a predefined function name? But Python follows shortest notation. You should not provide len gth actually. I know that is a spelling. Just you need to provide len. What we need to provide? Len. Len of within the parenthesis you can provide a actually. You can provide what, Sarji? A. Now, yeah, look at my screen. Yeah, very good, Sarji. You can just try to get what exactly, sir, knock the door. Knock the door. Daniel of 6 actually. Daniel of what exactly, sir? 6. Online team, hold on, sir. 1 minute. I will call admin. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah, back to the session. Look at my screen. Sometimes my requirement will be, I wanted to know group of characters in a string. Yeah, that is one of the operation we should ever actually. Group of the characters in a string. Group of what, Saji? You know about ChatGPT? ChatGPT, first it will apply this operation. Whenever you are asking anything over the ChatGPT, first operation it will apply actually. Can I show you that? Hold on. Then Kasagani Daniel seems to be longer string, and you know what actually, sir? You no need to take a pen actually. How many characters, man? 15 characters actually. Let me just have to take this one. Length is a predefined function. Length is a predefined function. By using this, we can find number of characters. Presence in string. Presence in what, Sarji? String. Best example, length function. Right? Good. Important point. While accessing function, name should be match. Name should be what, Saji? Match. While accessing the function, name should be match. Otherwise, error. Otherwise, we will get name error actually. What error, sir? Name error. I mean to say, can you pronounce this actually? Dino sir, pronounce sir meru? Length. By default, we cannot stop len. Automatically, we will continue length actually. Yeah, what you are spelling, what you are pronouncing, that is valid actually, but you should not write like that. If you are writing like this, first of all, this error, length is not there in Python. You will get a name error. What error, sir? What error? Make a note actually. While you are calling the function name should be match. While you are calling, my name is Daniel, sir. If you are calling Prasad, how I can respond actually? While you are calling my name should be match actually. Otherwise, silent. That's it. Silence. Are you clear? Good. Let's take this example. While you are calling the function name should be match. Otherwise, name error. What error, sir? Name error. We are good to go. Maybe I told right, ChatGPT. Let me show you real-time example. A real-time example where, Daniel, where length function is using. Where length function is using in real time actually. Real time. Where it is using, best example is a ChatGPT. Imagine you are saying hi, good morning. Hi, what exactly, sir? Good morning. Let me just have to take this one. Do you want to find out number of characters actually? Then you can just have to apply length of A. Length of what, Saji? A. How many characters, sir? Chapani? 15. Hi, good morning. Otherwise, hello. Previously also 15, right? You may confuse actually. Hello, good morning. Yes, sir. Space also countable. Why? Because that is a string. Space also countable actually. Are you clear? Then how many total character? Yeah, good. Go to the Google. Then in ChatGPT, there is a one tokenizer. tokenizer. Backend lo idu respond avutundi when you are asking anything. Yeah, good. There is a one link backend technical discussion actually. Let me just see tokenizer, OpenAI. You know, ChatGPT created by company name is a OpenAI company actually. Good. Here you can just have to ask hello, good morning. You are saying you know hello, good morning to the ChatGPT. Hello, good morning actually. Yeah, see automatically what exactly happened, you know, sir. Did you notice actually how many characters you entered actually? This is the proof you already know number of characters 8 actually. Backend also it is calculating. Did you understand? What is token? Next discussion. Token. Each word is called as a token. Each word. How many words actually? 3 words. Did you understand, sir? Right. This is the best example you can use, you know. So tokenizer, even tokenizer actual. Tokenizer. Website to find out the number of characters. Backend they are using. Sir, can you tell me the difference between, what is the difference between string reinitialization and mutable actual? I can still change completely. Yeah, Purnagaru, I understand your question. When you're still changing the string, it is not modifying actually. Reinitialization in the sense it is creating new object. I will talk about that one actually. Purnagaru, reinitialization in the sense we are creating the new string object again actually. Anyway, back to the session. Come on. Sir, maybe I need to add this one into functions list. Kada? Ayo, talk with me, sir. What list actually? Functions list. Go back and here, let me think where it sets actually. Print type, range, input. Yeah, fine. Let us just add here. Length function. What function, sir? Length function. Parameter required to find number of characters. To find what, Sarji? To find number of values. Number of values actually. Count is different, Sarji. To find number of values. Why value I have written, you know? You can apply length on list also. You can apply length on what, Sarji? List also. Group of characters also nothing but a values actually. Mallu sir explain chestan chudandi. It any. So let me just try to take list 10, 20, 30, 40. How many values would you have? 4 values. Yeah, you got length we can apply on list also. Length we can apply on what, Sarji? Daniel, when you will cover during list data structure, I will cover actually. That's what here I would like to keep one common statement to find number of values. To find what exactly, sir? Number of, you can also call it as a chars. Chars means character. Come on, let us read the function name. Print type. Error names also can you read? All good, let's move on. The next topic, ayo. Membership operator. What is the next one, sir? Membership operator you need to walk through. I forget to ask one question. Can you talk with me in the given example how many functions I'm using? 2 functions. What are those functions actually? Print. And next one, length. Make a note. Length is what, Saji? Function. Length is what? Function. While you are, predefined function. While you are calling the function, name should be matched. Otherwise, name error. What error?
Name error.
What error? Name error actually. Name error. We have seen practical. The next one, membership operator. What operator? We already have seen during operators topic, but anyway, let me give a small recap. Membership operator. Membership operator actual operators. There are 2 membership operators. Yeah, the first one is, you know, there are 2 membership operator, 2 actually. There are different types of 2. The first one is called as a in operator. The next one is called as a not in operator. Did you remember? There are 2 types actually. Two types. Daniel, do one thing. So A equals to Python programming language. Let me just try to print A. Yeah, Python programming language. Good. Sir, there are 3 words. There are how many words? 3 words. Even if you wanted to check the number of characters also you can check. Right? By using length function, you know, I guess. Daniel, specific word, I mean to say Python. Is it available in this word or not? I wanted to know. Let me just try to hide that one actually. So I'm hiding the code. I'm telling like, you know, I have created a string. I have created what, Sajid? String. Inside that string, there is a specific word. There is a specific word is available or not. You need to cross verify actually. Then what we need to do, you know, specify what word you wanted to check. This is kind of some searching technique. You're trying to checking You're trying to what, Saji? Checking purpose actually. Python word. What word, sir? Python word. Is it available? Available. If it is available, you will get result as a true. You will get result as a true. If yeah, boolean value. If it is not available, you will get result as what exactly, sir? False actually. Yeah, make a note on this one. Make a note on this one. This is called as a membership operator. Boss, we covered actually. We covered. These are all. Can I continue? Let's take this one. Yeah, please make a note. Python. Not only single word, Sarji. Let us make it. Can you talk with me? Second one is what exactly? Second one, what output you will get actually? False. Why false, Sarji? Python matching, right? Simple. Case matters. What matter? Case. When I say case, lower case or upper case? With what case you have created actually? Upper case. With what you need to search actually? Upper only. Don't play the jokes with Python. I mean to say lower case don't provide actually. If you are still providing, it will tell I don't know what you are providing actually. Am I right or not, sir? Okay, good. Sir, not only group of words, a single character also you can cross verify. Let me provide one small character as a G letter actually. Yeah, good. You can cross verify. Either this letter is available in A. Yeah, what output you will get, you know? True actual. What output you will get, sir? Are you clear? Move on. Let's take this example. Like that you need to be understand. Simple man, very easy. If you're regular practitioners, మీరు రెగ్యులర్గా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే these are all very easy. Checking, right? Membership operator. We are checking the specific string. Checking, character in main string actually. That's what you need to be understand. In and not in operator actually. Can I write something like a logically? కొంచెం ఒక లాజిక్ రాయమంటారా? Yeah, Daniel. Here you can apply if wherever return type is a boolean. Boolean ఎక్కడైతే వచ్చిందో try to learn how to apply if. Try to learn how to apply. Yeah, good. Let us apply. So Daniel, if Python see మీకు అవుట్పుట్ ఏం వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ? So print off. See what we are getting, sir, output actually. Python. Can you talk with me? In A. What is output you are getting? Boolean. Though it is a boolean, right? Wherever boolean came, think like a condition. Think like what, Sajid? Create a condition here. Okay, if now I wanted to tell logically what is existing. I would like to say, existing. What existing actually? Word. అవసరమైతే మీరు ఏం చేయొచ్చు అంటే ఇక్కడ ఒక సో వర్డ్ అని క్రియేట్ చేసి ఈ పైథాన్ ని అక్కడ అసైన్ చేయండి. యూ కెన్ అసైన్ యాక్చువల్లీ. కెన్ యూ హెల్ప్ మీ హియర్? వాట్ ఐ నీడ్ టు రిప్లేస్? వర్డ్. దెన్ ప్రింట్ దట్ వర్డ్ హియర్ యాక్చువల్. ప్రింట్ దట్ వర్డ్ హియర్ యాక్చువల్లీ. ఆర్ యూ క్లియర్, సార్? మీకు అర్థమైందా? గుడ్. నౌ వాట్ అవుట్పుట్ యూ విల్ గెట్, సార్? ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ ట్రూ, existing. What is existing, sir? This is really very good actually. You understand, I guess? See, just printing true. What is true, sir? Just you can create some logical program actually. Then don't ask what is if actual. We already done. That panchayat is over. I mean to say what is a if? How to create a if? Sir, అయిందా లేదా? మీరు ఎలా చూస్తున్నారంటే ఫ్లో కంట్రోల్ వీడియో అన్నట్టు చూస్తున్నారు. ప్లీజ్ కెన్ ఐ ఆస్క్ ఎ క్వశ్చన్? ఇఫ్ ఈజ్ ఏ కీవర్డ్ బిలాంగ్స్ టు వాట్ టాపిక్ యాక్చువల్లీ? Flow control. What is that? Flow control actually. Flow control. That's what regular practice is really important. Now, so if plus in combination. Yeah. Make a note. Let us apply here Daniel. Let us apply here what, Sarji? Daniel actually. Daniel, and here you can just apply empty space. Then what I can apply here actually? Else. Boss, no word. Word is not matching. Not existing. You can just to tell not existing actually. What not existing? That word it is not existing. Yeah. Now you can just to apply this. You will get an idea. Not existing. What is not existing? Perfect actual. Like that. Can I ask you one question? How many keywords I'm using here? Very good. You guys are ready with the answer, I guess. Chappan. If, in, else. One more time. Nice man. Very good. I request you walk through this theory. We can check if a string or character is a member of string or not by using in and not in operator. Definition number 2. We can check if a string is a substring of main string or not by using in and not in operator actually. Yeah, good. So in operator. In operator is true if string or character found in main string actually. Why red color? One more time.
Keyword.
P in Python, yes, true. Z in Python, no. On in Python, yes, true. And PA in Python, talk with me, sir. False, actually. Don't think like, one letter is matching, another letter is not matching. Sir, complete match. Complete match is required, actually. Go on case otherwise, okay? Now the next one, not in operator, you can walk through. Yeah, see, a nice sentence. In Apple, APPLE characters are available. Indirectly, we're telling B not in Apple. Yes, true. Am I right or not, sir? B character not in available. What exactly? Yeah. This is the syntax, not in. What is the syntax? Not in. One more time. You should not swap actually. And in not, you should not apply. In not, you should not apply. Okay. This is the biscuit example you can walk through. Yeah, my favorite topic, sir. What is the topic name? Methods in STR class. What is the topic name? Such an important topic, sir. Chala chala important. Ent important ante, if it is important, I will give such a nice introduction. On an average, trust me, maybe tomorrow, this line we are going to read tomorrow. I hope you already know next 30 minutes would you have. 30 minutes is introduction only. How long time, sir? 30 minutes introduction. Then think about the importance of the topic actually. Are you clear? Good. Today topic what I am covering, it is having relationship with data analysis topic, machine learning topic, deep learning topic. Trust me, total data science it is having the relation. Ant importance on it. Let us continue. Are you ready? Yeah, it's a very simple. I will explain 2 to 3 times actually. Try to understand. Let us move on. Daniel, the topic name is a methods in string. STR class. What class, Sarji? STR class. Kind update. So this topic is important. Very, very important. I need attention, right? So I need attention actually. I need attention. Good. Sir, same topic is available in upcoming chapter also. Upcoming what, Sarji? Chapters also. Let us list out all those chapters. See, I'm just trying to listing out actually. What are topics I'm listing out, Now, methods in STR class. The next one. Methods in tuple class. Sorry. List class. Methods in tuple class. Methods in set class. Methods in dictionary class. Methods in series class. Data frame class, linear regression class. Sorry, I'm not doing overaction. These are all important actually. Methods in sequential class. Methods in agent class. Sir, you know what? See, if you understand today topic having the relation till to the last course actually. Course last work on the relation. Ant important. These are all you will come to know slowly by slowly. Don't worry actually. But as of now, focus on this line actually. Why I am highlighting these are all things, if you are able to see this with your eyes actually, you can feel, man, this is important. I should not sleep. Like that you will get some motivation actually. Am I right? Good. Conclusion of the story. Can you read the first one? Methods in? This one belongs to the Python. This one also Python. Sir, this is not belongs to Python. This is data analysis. What is that? Data analysis also same topic would have. Here also same topic actually. Ayyo Anna, let us just say to, I like running notes. Running notes need to go. This is called as a machine learning, sir. What is the topic name? Machine learning. This one also deep learning. The next topic is called as a deep learning. Deep learning logo onto the same topic. Next topic is a AI agent. Agentic AI actually. A kind of some Gen AI, agentic AI, these are all. Trust me, let me tell you. We are in 2025, right? We are in 2030 or 2040 or 2050. Some new library is coming. What library is coming, sir? New library is coming. They should introduce one topic. The topic name is a methods. No doubt at all. Samasya లేదు అందులో actually. That's the power of this topic actually. Are you clear, sir? Yeah, good. Make a note. Imagine after 5 years I am talking. After 10 years, after 1 decade, 2 decades, some new library is coming in a data science. They should use one topic. The topic name is methods. No way. Nobody cannot escape actual. They should use. Understand, right? Now we are entering into the topic. Uppu topic loki veldam. Sir, any question? Trust me, if you want, నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. మీరు అడగకుండా నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. I will do more revisions actually. So same topic is available. I'm sorry, available. Available. Don't consider spelling mistakes, please. Same topic is available in upcoming topic actually. Let me read one. Methods in str class, methods in list class, methods in tuple class, methods in set class, methods in dictionary. Next one, methods in series class, methods in data frame class, methods in linear regression class, methods in sequential class, methods in agent class. Topic started, sir. Now today, let me talk about methods in str class. Str actually, str or str class? Sorry, str. There are 2 points you have to be clear. Sir, cinema started. There are 2 points you have to be clear. First point is, str is a predefined class. Chapana sir, str is a? One more time, str is a? Daniel, what is a class? Upcoming topic. Oops topic. As of now, you no need to understand. You no need to understand definition also. But remember that word. Generally speaking, class contains methods. Okay. Generally speaking, class contains what, Sarji? One more time. Class contains what? If you are talking about the class, immediate next topic is the method. Immediate next topic is what, Sarji? Are you clear, sir? Good. Let me tell you, somebody have created a class. Instead of that class, he should create a method. He should create what, Sarji? Method 1. The next one, method 2. I will tell you what is a method 1 and method 2. నేను స్లోగా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. Just try to follow actually. The next one, method 3. Don't think too much. Method is something like a function. Method is something like what, Sarji? Function actually. Function. By using function, we can perform an operation. By using function, we can perform. Here also same. By using method, we can perform some operation. Perform operation. What operation I will explain. Some operation. Perform some operation. Perform some operation. Who already know Python? Get ready. You will learn in new points actually. Sir, I have a discussion. If somebody is talking about the class, what is the immediate topic actually? Methods. Tell me. Methods. One more time. Method actually. Think like class is a human body. Class is a human body. Okay, human body. Now body anukundam. Human body actually. Sir, you know what? Heart is nothing but a method. I'm sorry. Heart is nothing but what, Sarji? It is performing an operation. It is pumping the blood actually. From head to till top to bottom actually. Pumping the blood. Are you with me? The next one, brain. What is that one, sir? Brain. Thinking ability. Until you sleep actually, your brain keep on thinking. It perform an operation. It perform what, Sarji? Operation. Let me repeat again. If you are comparing what is a class, compare class with human body. Human body to compare chedam. Let us take a heart. Sir, it is performing an operation. Brain performs an operation. Kidneys perform an operation. Liver perform an operation. Are you guys clear, sir? Right? You can just try to take ears. It is hearing actually. Can I continue? Good. There are 2 words are important. 2 sentences. Can you tell me first one? str is a predefined class. Class contains. Class contains. Let's continue. To understand methods in str class, we need to learn below points actually. Kinda points మనం నేర్చుకోవాలి. Come on. Now we are entering slowly by slowly. Good. Team, any program in Python, I'm talking with respect to the Python. Any kind of Python program, we can implement in a 3 ways actually. 3 రకాలుగా రాయొచ్చు. Everybody make a note. Take any program in the sense, let us take hello world program only. Hello world program తీసుకుందాం. What program actually? Hello world program. You can implement in a 3 ways. 3 రకాలుగా రాయొచ్చు అన్న. The first one is called as a procedure oriented approach. What approach actually? Procedure oriented approach. One more time. Procedure oriented approach. One more time. Second one is called as a functional oriented approach. functional or function, anything you can say. Either you can say function or functional. Function oriented approach, anything you can say actually. Third one is called as a object oriented approach. What is the third one? Object oriented approach. Object oriented approach. మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చెప్తాను చూడండి. Do you want to write one program in Python? మీరు ఏదైనా Python లో ఒక ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాయాలనుకుంటున్నారా? You can follow 3 approaches. You can follow how many? I will tell you later what is the best approach actually. The first one is called as a procedure oriented boss. What is the first one? One more time. The second one is called as a function oriented approach. What is the second one? Function. You can also call as a functional. Also called as a functional, right? The third one is called as an object oriented approach. What is the third one? You know what? The today topic belongs to the third one, right? The topics, methods in class. The topic belongs to the third approach actually. అంటే ఈ రోజు నేను కవర్ చేసే టాపిక్ దీనికి సంబంధించింది ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఓరియంటెడ్. బట్ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంటెడ్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఓరియంటెడ్, యూ షుడ్ అండర్స్టాండ్ ప్రొసీజర్ ఓరియంటెడ్, యూ షుడ్ అండర్స్టాండ్ ఫంక్షన్ ఓరియంటెడ్ యాక్చువల్. యూ అండర్స్టాండ్ ఐ గెస్. I don't want to jump into the topic directly. Slowly. It's like injection. I need to give slowly actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Good. Let's move on. First I will explain about procedure oriented. Let me explain slowly. So if it is my favorite topic, I can dance over the dais actually. I'm sorry for this. Yeah, Daniel, what do you mean? Simple anna. Madam, very easy. Writing a program by using procedure. Very simple. My definitions are very easy, sir. Is called as a procedure oriented approach. That's just very simple. Yeah, is called as a procedure oriented approach. Come on. Writing a program by using procedure means very simple, sir. You can just have to write a hello, good morning. Sequential process. Indirectly we need to say, indirectly me cheppali ante sequential process. Hello, good morning actually. And you can just have to say, how are you? Yeah, good. So you have written the program something like a procedure. You have written the program something like what, Saji? Procedure actually. Procedure. Let me take this example. If still anyone don't know how to write this example, go on case man. ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఎలా రాయాలి ఎలా ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయబోతే ఐ విల్ జంప్ ఫ్రమ్ హియర్ టు హియర్ యాక్చువల్లీ. దిస్ ఇస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ప్రొసీజర్ ఓరియంటెడ్. వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్, సార్? ప్రొసీజర్ ఓరియంటెడ్. యూ ఆల్రెడీ నో దిస్ వన్. కెన్ యూ టెల్ మీ వాట్ ఇస్ ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్? What is the next one? Let us move on, sir. Daniel, what do you mean by function oriented? Writing what, Saji? Program by using function. By using what, Saji? Function is called as function oriented approach. Functional oriented approach. Anything you can say. Let's read the definition one more time. Writing a program by using ఓకే సార్, ఎవ్రీబడి నీడ్ టు రీడ్. మీకు కావాలంటే నేను టైం ఇస్తాను రాసుకోవడానికి. కమన్ లెట్ us read. రైటింగ్ ఏ ప్రోగ్రామ్ బై యూజింగ్ ఫంక్షన్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ఏ ఫంక్షన్ ఓరియంటెడ్ అప్రోచ్ యాక్చువల్. ఫంక్షన్ ఓరియంటెడ్ అప్రోచ్. నౌ లెట్ మీ టెల్ యూ, Daniel, do you wanted to become expert in function actually? Yeah, Daniel, I wanted to become expert in function. Anyway, upcoming topic, but let me give a small kick introduction. Let me give a small what's a kick introduction. If you wanted to become expert in function, 2 points you should aware. 2 points మీకు తెలిసి ఉండాలి. First one, how to create a function. First one, how to create a, one more time. First one, how to create. The second one, how to call a function. How to call what's a function. Let me repeat again. Daniel, I wanted to become very good in functions topic. I wanted to become expert in functional oriented approach actually. 2 points you have to be very aware. 2 points you have to be very clear. First point will be how to create a function. Second one will be how to call it. Sir, very simple. Function ela create cheyali, function ela call cheyali. Very simple. Let me explain. It's very simple. Very simple actually. First of all, what is the purpose of function means? To perform an operation. Operation perform cheyadaniki. Everybody look at my screen. Everybody look at my screen. Based on my previous explanation, can I ask one question? Let me ask. If somebody is talking about the class, what is the next topic? Very good. You are following the session. In Python, if you wanted to write any program, 3 approaches. First one, procedure oriented. The next one, function oriented. Third one,
Object oriented.
Good. Keep continuing. Procedure oriented. Writing a program by using procedure. Function oriented. Writing a program by using. Now you should understand what is a function. I am going step by step actually. Step by step వెళ్తున్నాను నేను, right? Yeah, see. If you wanted to write a function, simple man. In Python, we can create our own function by using one keyword name is called as a DEF. DEF actually. What is the keyword name? DEF. Also called as a def, but not DEF actually. Are you clear, sir? Right. After DEF keyword, RHS is required. What is required? This RHS is a name of the function. Chappan sir, name of the function actually. Name of the function. Always write your name as a function name. Then you can remember very well actually. బాగా గుర్తుంటుంది మీకు. Why? Because everyone like our own name actually. నా పేరెంట్ నాకు చాలా ఇష్టం సార్. Am I right or not? Good. Let us create a function. We can create a function DEF. Instead of creating a studying function, writing function, eating function, let us create with our name so that we can remember. Chala easy gurtuntundi manaki. Am I right? Good. Function name follows parenthesis symbol. Function name follows what symbol? Come on, let us write one more time. DEF Daniel parenthesis. DEF Daniel parenthesis. Sir, column symbol. What symbol? You know the next step actually. Yeah, indentation. What is that? Indentation. One more time. Indentation. I would like to tell here. Hello. Just, yeah, good morning. Yeah, very good. Hello example we are writing, right? Hello, good morning. How are you? See, same code previously we have written without function. Successfully you created a function. Ante function create cheyadam ante antaku minchi inkem ledhu. DEF name of the function parenthesis column symbol. One more time. DEF name of the function parenthesis column symbol. Wherever column came, go to the next line. Indentation anna. What is that? Indentation. What is that? Indentation. Good. Let us run the code. Ee code run cheddam chudandi. Sir, no output actual. Why? Because you know the 2 points.
Underscore.
If you are talking about the function, 2 activities mandatory. First one, function creation done. The next one, call the function. Call what, Sarji? Function. To call the function, go to the code. Code last lo kellanni. Go to the code actually. Go to the code, and here you can use same name of the function like this actually. This is function calling. This is what, Sarji? From D letter to parenthesis symbol, this is called as a function creation. That is called as a function creation. From P letter to till this parenthesis, it is called as a function calling. It is called what, Sarji? Yeah, good. Let's run this example. Example run chesan chudandi. Yeah, yes sir. Did you understand or not? Good. Let's take this example. Successfully. I will create one more function. Don't worry. We can create a function by using DEF keyword. What keyword, sir? DEF keyword. After function created, then we need to call the function. Very good. You understand, I guess. Right? Yeah. Creating a function and calling. Calling the same function. Calling what, Sarji? Same function. Same. Sir, I have one small question. Here, print is called as a predefined function. Print is called as a Prasad also function, but user defined function. What function? Are you clear, Sarji? Good. Let's create few more function. Madam, your name? Divya. Okay. DEF. Let us create a function. Function name is a Divya ma'am actually. Good. So column symbol. Now print off. So let me just try to write data scientist. Data scientist or AI engineer actually. Good. Can I ask a question? What is the function name? Divya ma'am. Right. After function is created, do I need to call Prasad actually? No. What is the function name? Divya. You need to call Divya ma'am actually, right? You can just try to go for this one, Divya ma'am. You can just try to call this one. Yes, you got an output actually. I'm sure you got a clarity. 2 points you understand very clearly. First one, how to create a function, how to call a function. Chappan sir, how to create a function. Perfect. Then I can move on to the third one actually. Meeku ardhainda sir? Nice. What is the time? 10:30. 15 minutes. Let's continue. Creating a function, calling a function. Online team, what about you? Are you following? Oh, seems to be very serious. No response from anybody. Online team, చెప్పండి సార్, మీకు అర్థం అవుతుందా? Let me drink water. Tejasri, Chandana garu, Shiva garu, Sheikh Sarji. Trust me, these are all very easy. Now the third approach I'm entering. Third approach actually. What is the third one? Okay, hold on. Can we read the topic name? Methods in STR class. Belongs to the third approach. Belongs to the not first approach. Belongs to not second. Belongs to third approach. But to understand object oriented, you should understand the first one and the second one actually. That's what I given small kick introduction. Small. What is procedure? What is function? I covered actually. Are you clear, sir? But Daniel, I don't know what is a function definition. Don't worry, boss. Upcoming topic. What topic actually? Upcoming topic. Can I continue? Let's continue. Let us take object oriented approach. Please. Today, the running notes, you have to by heart like anything. Every point you need to practice. Prati point kuda meer practice here. To understand object oriented approach, you need to learn 4 points actually. Get ready. This one I may explain 2-3 times. రెండు మూడు సార్లు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. Get ready to understand. Daniel, I wanted to be, first of all, what is object oriented approach? You know the definition, I guess. చెప్పండి సార్. Writing a program by using writing a program by using below topics. What topics actually? Below topics. First topic name is called as a class. Oh, good. Second topic name is called as a method. Third topic name is called as a object. Then that is called as object oriented approach. Writing a program by using below topics. అంటే ఏమేమి టాపిక్స్ ఉండాలంటే, are you going to write a program? Yeah, Daniel. In my program, I'm using class, method, object. Then simple, you are following object oriented approach. You are following what approach? Object oriented approach. Then this is called as a Iriana. See, terminology also matching. Can you read this word? Class. Topic lo chudandi class word untadi. Yeah, exactly. Can you read this actually? Method. Yeah, topic lo method untadi. Then definitely object, I will show you what is object actually. That's what. This comparison is awesome. Trust me, maybe I'm not boosting myself. Nobody never explained like this. Ee explanation meeku ekkada dorukadu. Let me explain. Can I continue? Let's continue. I will give a recap actually. Let's continue. Daniel, I wanted to become expert in object oriented programming language. I wanted to become expert in object oriented programming approach. Then there are 4 points you should be aware. 4 points meeku telavali. For a function, how many points, sir? Madam, for a function, how many? 2. What is the first one? How to create a function. Same thing like that. Do you wanted to become very good in object oriented approach actually? Yeah, Daniel. 4 points try to learn. 4 points నేర్చుకోవాలి technically. First point. How to create a class. Okay. How to create a class. How to create a class. You should have it. The next one. Can you read actually? How to create a class. One more time. Nice. Remember. ఎందుకు 3 సార్లు చదివిస్తున్నానంటే గుర్తుంటుంది. ఫస్ట్ టైం యువర్ లెర్నింగ్ రైట్. మీరు ఫస్ట్ టైం నేర్చుకుంటున్నారు కదా. నాట్ ఫర్ మై సేక్. నాకు గుర్తుండడానికి కాదు. How to create methods inside of the class. Instead of what, Saji? Class. If you are talking about the method means as it is like a function. Small syntax change. Generally, methods we can create inside of the class. మీరు మెథడ్స్ గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నారా? యా డానియల్. మెథడ్స్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటాయో తెలుసా? క్లాస్ లోపల ఉంటాయి. Let us take a heart. Inside human body actually. Inside human what, Saji? Body. Let us take a brain. Inside human brain. When you're talking about the method, where methods are available, sir? Inside a sentence important. That sentence is important. Come on. Cool. Let me explain one more time. Second point, Malay sir, chodudhan chudandi sir. How to create a methods inside of the class. Inside of the class. Methods ni ela create cheyalo నేర్చుకోవాలి. కానీ అవి ఎక్కడ క్రియేట్ చేయాలి అంటే క్లాస్ లోపల క్రియేట్. I like Telugu explanation. నాకు తెలుగు చాలా ఇష్టం. But anyway, this is the English barrier actually. I should use only English. Good. Sir, after this, how to create an object to a class. Okay. To a class. Let me repeat again. How to create an object to a class. Malli sir cheptara. How to create an object to a class. Very good. Sir, the last one. How to call a method. How to call what, Sarji? Method actually. Method or methods? How to call a methods. How to call methods. As of now, one method let us take. Yeah, ee 4 points meeku idea undali sir. Ee 4 points meeku idea unte trust me, you will become expert actually. Don't worry, I will guide you how to become expert. These are all. Okay. Madam, you can read actually. Ee points sir chodutara. Thank you, sir. Sir, you read actually. You read. Thank you. Thank you. Let's continue. Right? Sir, just I given theoretical explanation. I'm entering into the practical explanation. Can I continue? Yeah. Thanks for your kind cooperation. Let us move. Class. We can create a class by using one keyword. Keyword name is a class. What is the keyword name? Class actually. For class, RHS required. For function, how name of the function required? For class, name of the class is required. For function, how name of the function is required? For class, name of the class actually. Name of the class. RHS is a name of the class. RHS is what, Sarji? Name of the. Previously, one student asked, I will provide LHS actually. If you want, you can provide. You will get error actually. You will get what, Sarji? Conclusion of the story, we should not provide. We should not what, Sarji? Provide. Good. Let me create a class. Class name is a Daniel. Let me create a class. Class name is a first letter give uppercase. There is a 10 minutes explanation later actually. First letter, whenever you are writing a class, first letter is uppercase actually. Daniel, why? Anna, please wait. 10 minutes explanation. 1 minute koda kaadu. We can talk later actually. We can talk what, Sachi? Later. Good. Imagine if I am writing Prasad like this actually. Do you think valid? No. What is a valid one? Peak. Yeah, very good. You connected. Meeku ardhamayindi ippudu, right? Yeah, good. Class. Daniel actually. Daniel. Sir, column symbol. What symbol? Successfully you have created a class. Ayipindi. Class creation ayipinattu actually. Right? Wherever column came. What is the next line? Yeah, you guys became expert actually. Indentation. I will not provide indentation. Then what error? Very nice. Let's move on actually. Yeah, go back actually. First one is done. Can you tell me what is the next one? Method we can create where exactly? Inside of the class. Yeah, this area is inside of the class. Our area which is inside. This is called as inside actually. Inside of the class. Meer class lopal create cheyali. Class lopal. That word is important. Are you ready, sir? Good. Let's continue. Function means very simple. Method means very simple. 99% something like a function. 99% of the code like what exactly, sir? Function actually. Let me just try to write here kind of some what exactly, wish ane method rastanu. What method actually? Wish ane method. Otherwise I can take teaching method so that you can connect very quickly actually. What is my method name? Teaching. What is the class name? Daniel actually. Come on, let us write class Daniel, column symbol, go to the next line. DEF, teaching method. What method? Just to this syntax remember. This syntax gurtunchukondi. Self actually. Sir, column symbol. What symbol? Column symbol. You know what? 2 activities we done. What is a self? We can see later. As of now, try to follow the syntax. What is a class? What is a method? Manam tarvata chuddam. What is my class name? Daniel. What is my class name? Daniel. What is my method name? Teaching. You know what we done? Meer em chesaro telusa? Class you created successfully. Method also you created successfully. For this method, let us provide a small indentation. I kind of some code actually. I like teaching, sir. I like teaching, man. Teaching is my passion actually. I like teaching. I like it. Simple. I like it actually. Very good. Sir, first 2 points done. How to create a class done. Next one is how to create a method inside of the class. As of now, one method let me take actually. See, once you created a method you should not call directly like a function. Meeru method ni create chesin tarvata function call chesinattu method call cheyakudadu. We should not call directly actually. If you are calling directly, you will get error. Error name is a name error. What error? Name error actually. I mean to say that. Imagine there is a method. When I say method should be available inside of the class. Method should be available inside of. This method should not call directly. Then how to call? By using object name we need to call. By using object name. How to create an object? That is the third point. D equals to Daniel. LHS equals to RHS. It is syntax. D equals to Daniel. One more time. D equals to Daniel. Left hand side one variable name. Right hand side same name of the class including parenthesis. Sir, 3 steps you done. How many steps? 3 steps. How to create a class we done. How to create a method inside of the class we done. Third step. How to create an object also we done. How to create an object also? We done. What is the last point actually? How to call a method. Very simple, boss. D dot teaching. D dot what, Sarji? Teaching. This example you have to by heart like anything. ఒక 10-15 సార్లు 10-15 కూడా తక్కువే ఓ 20 టైమ్స్ చేయాలి ఎగ్జాంపుల్. యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ అండ్ టైప్ దిస్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 20 టైమ్స్, దెన్ యూ విల్ గెట్ ఏ క్లారిటీ. అన్ని సార్లు చేయాలి అని సార్. రైట్, లెట్స్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ ద కోడ్. మీరు కోడ్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయండి. యా, యూ గెట్ ఎన్ అవుట్పుట్ సార్. యూ గెట్ వాట్ సార్జీ? అవుట్పుట్ యాక్చువల్. ఐ నో వెరీ వెల్ you don't know what is a class, what is a method, but as of now please prepare this example. The example meer prepare avvali. Example meer prepare avvali. Are you clear sir? Good. I will write one more time, don't worry. Introduction also not over. 30 minutes over actually. Chusara topic lo kuda manam enter avaledu. I like this topic man, right? Creating class, method, object, then next one calling method. Calling what Sarji? Method. Yeah. Very good Sarji, very good. మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చెప్తాను చూడండి, మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి. వై? బికాజ్ ఐ నో ఇది కొంచెం టెక్నికల్గా మీకు అర్థం కావాలి అంటే ఐ నీడ్ టు రిపీట్ అగైన్ యాక్చువల్. I know which area I need to touch more and more. I know very well actually. Daniel, I wanted to become object oriented approach expert actually. Very simple. Just to follow the 4 principles actually. 4 principles మీకు ఐడియా ఉండాలి. First one, how to create a class you should aware. చెప్పండి సార్. First one, how to create a class. Second one, how to create a methods inside of the class. The next one, how to create an object to a class. Next one, how to we understand I guess, right? Let me write code. Code radon చూడండి. Let us write a code actually. Let me create a class. Let me create a class. Class name is a Daniel. What is the class name? What is the class name? Column symbol. Go to the next line. Method. Write something like a function. Function laga రాసేయండి. Function laga రాసేయండి. Hold on. Then here you can add one more word actually. I like it. Here you can add one word. Word name is a self. What is the word name? But not selfish actual. It's a self. Self రాయాలి. Daniel why? Later we'll discuss. తర్వాత మాట్లాడదాం దీని గురించి. గుర్తుంచుకోండి ఈ విషయం. Successfully have created a class. Successfully have created a class. Successfully have created a method. అన్నా మెథడ్ వీ షుడ్ నాట్ కాల్ డైరెక్ట్లీ. మెథడ్ క్రియేట్ చేసినంత మాత్రాన దాన్ని మనం డైరెక్ట్ గా కాల్ చేయం. లైక్ ఏ ఫంక్షన్. మీరు ఇందరు ఫంక్షన్ కాల్ చేశారు కదా, ప్రసాద్ యూ కాల్ డైరెక్ట్లీ, దివ్య ఫంక్షన్ యూ కాల్ డైరెక్ట్లీ యాక్చువల్లీ. బట్ టీచింగ్ మెథడ్ యూ షుడ్ నాట్ కాల్ డైరెక్ట్లీ. దెన్ వాట్, హౌ టు కాల్ బై యూజింగ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ నేమ్. బై యూజింగ్ then how to create an object. D equals to LHS equals to RHS. LHS equals to left hand side D equals to right hand side Daniel parenthesis. Wow, like that you can create actually. You know what? Successfully object creation is over. Successfully what is over? Object. With object creation you need to call a method. Object name dot method name. Object name dot method name. Now you will get actual. A simple boss. క్లాస్ కి మెథడ్ కి బ్రిడ్జ్ ఏంటంటే ఆబ్జెక్ట్ యాక్చువల్. లెట్ us repeat one more time. This is the class, this is the method. Do you want to talk with that method actually? Create an object. Object is the bridge. Object is a bridge. మధ్యలో ఉంటుంది అనమాట ఇప్పుడు కూడా. Can I continue? Very good. Let us have a theory. Don't worry, maybe I may continue tomorrow, but let's have a theory. ప్రస్తుతానికి థియరీ చూద్దాం చూడండి. థియరీ చూడండి. If you miss tomorrow session, whatever you understand today, మీకు I'm sorry, all things are waste actually. Don't miss tomorrow session. Don't miss what session sir? Tomorrow session. Why? Because did you notice I already told actually 30 minutes introduction. ఇంతవరకు ఈ లైన్ కూడా నేను చదవలేదు. Tomorrow, even tomorrow, next 10 minutes topics would you have? I will read this line actually. I will read this line. Are you clear sir? Very easy, very important. I will revise tomorrow also one more time. మీకు అర్థమైందా టాపిక్? Yeah. Good. Let us take this code. ఈ కోడ్ తీసుకుందాం చూడండి. కోడ్ తీసుకుంటే ఈ కోడ్ లో Daniel, what is a class actually? Sir, class is a keyword in Python. Class is a keyword in Python. Good. What is a Daniel actually? Daniel is a name of the class. చెప్పండి సార్. Name of the class. One more time. Name of the class. DF is again keyword. Sir, few guys are talking, please. Few guys are talking. Please be silent actually. Keyword in Python. Teaching is what? Method. So it's a name of the method. Self you can ignore as of now. D equals to D, name of the object. D equals to Daniel. Object creation syntax. What syntax man? Object creation syntax. Object creation syntax actually. Then D dot teaching, method calling. D dot what such? Teaching method. వాహ్, దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ పాయింట్స్ మీకు ఐడియా ఉండాలి సార్. అంటే పైన ఆ ప్రోగ్రామ్ కనుక మీరు అర్థం చేసుకుంటే సీరియస్లీ ఈ పాయింట్స్ మీకు ఐడియా ఉండాలి. ఏంటంటే ఇఫ్ సంబడి ఈస్ ఆస్కింగ్ అబౌట్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ దిస్ కోడ్, ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ దిస్ కోడ్ యాక్చువల్లీ, దెన్ యూ నీడ్ టు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ఇన్ సచ్ ఎ వే దట్ బాస్ క్లాస్ ఈజ్ ఎ కీవర్డ్, Daniel is the name of the class, DF is a keyword, teaching is a name of the method, D is a name of the object, D equals to Daniel, object creation, D dot teaching, method call. Prati point in and out we should explain. You understand, right? Good. For quickly I can do one thing. Inko question chestanu. I will create one more 1047. Creating class, the next one method, class. It's okay, let me continue tomorrow. మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్ ఈరోజు సెషన్? ప్లీజ్ డోంట్ సే నో, యాక్చువల్లీ అర్థం కాలేదని చెప్పొద్దు. డిడ్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్? వెరీ సింపుల్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ మెథడ్ కాలింగ్. కమ్ టుమారో సెషన్ సార్, మీకు యాక్చువల్ బ్యూటీ అర్థమవుతుంది. ఓకే ఫైన్, దెన్ ఇట్స్ రైట్ టైం. టుమారో ఐ విల్ రివైజ్ ద హోల్ టాపిక్. టుమారో I will revise whole topic. I will revise whole topic. Show you. I asked Naresh Shetty admin, give me one Telugu batch actually. అంటే డేటా సైన్స్ తెలుగులో చెప్తాను అంటే నరేష్ రెడ్డి దే డిడ్ంట్ లో తెలుగులో ఫ్లో బాగా వస్తుంది సార్. మై నేటివ్ ఇస్ తెలుగు, రైట్? ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసే విధానం డిఫరెంట్ ఉంటుంది. One more point, let me tell you. If Naresh Shetty admin ask me, అంటే నరేష్ ఐటీ అడ్మిన్ కనుక నన్ను మీరు ఇంకొక కోర్స్ తీసుకోండి అంటే నేను తీసుకునే కోర్స్ ఏంటో తెలుసా? పైథాన్. నేను తీసుకునే కోర్స్ ఏంటి సార్? అంత ఇంపార్టెంట్ యాక్చువల్గా పైథాన్. ఆల్ పైథాన్ ఐఎమ్ కవరింగ్, దట్ మచ్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ యాక్చువల్. డిడ్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్ సార్? రైట్? సో వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. యూ నో నీడ్ టు జాయిన్ సపరేట్ పైథాన్ కోర్స్. పైథాన్ సపరేట్గా మళ్ళీ జాయిన్ అవ్వాల్సిన పని లేదు. ఐఎమ్ నాట్ ఎంకరేజింగ్ యూ యాక్చువల్. జస్ట్ ట్రై టు ఫాలో అవర్ సెషన్స్ వెరీ కేర్ఫుల్లీ. వెరీ ఈజీ సార్, జస్ట్ స్పెండ్ సమ్ టైమ్. మీరు టైం ఇస్తే ఆటోమేటిక్గా టాపిక్స్ వచ్చేస్తాయి. ఆల్ రైట్, దెన్ ఐ హోప్ ఐ నీడ్ టు అప్లోడ్ ఓన్లీ రన్నింగ్ నోట్స్ కదా? యా, లెట్ మీ జస్ట్ ట్రై టు ఎడిట్ దిస్ వన్. ఐ కెన్ అప్లోడ్ ఓన్లీ రన్నింగ్ నోట్స్ ఫర్ టుడే. Please come with practice, I request you. I am begging, do the practice. Please, don't skip the practice. Somebody is asking how to download the material. Anna, look at my screen, please. How to download the material. I'm sure when you log in, you can see like this actually. Maybe you can see like this, kada? Yeah, good. Maybe once you log in. Either you can click on classwork or you can click on stream, that's still okay. Here you can click on PDF. Here you can click on, don't expect the download button here actually. Are you getting? Yeah. Nagireddy sir, please look at my screen. Don't expect the download. I have seen your message yesterday. Good. Click on this PDF. The moment once you click on this PDF, you will get PDF as a pop-up actually. Then the PDF open in a new window. Are you following? Open a new window actually. Nagireddy sir, I need a response from you. Why? Because you asked this one actually. Let me just try to, then here you can get a download option. మీరు డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోండి. హ్యాపీలీ యూ కెన్ డౌన్లోడ్ యాక్చువల్. డౌన్లోడ్ అవుతుంది, రైట్? సో ఐఎమ్ షూర్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్. యా, పర్ఫెక్ట్. ప్లీజ్. జర్నీ ఆల్సో విల్ బి కవర్డ్ రైట్ ఇన్. సార్, ట్రస్ట్ మీ, టోటల్ డేటా సైన్స్ వీ హ్యావ్ అవర్ ఓన్ మెటీరియల్. టిల్ నౌ whatever material you are getting like a daily wise actually, Genia, agentic, machine learning, deep learning, Anna, trust me, you will get the best material. You will get what? If you follow our material, more than enough. Meeru material perfect గా ఉంటే సరిపోతుంది actually. It's okay. Let me stop my overreaction. We done today's session actually. We done what, Sarji? Today's session. Thank you.